Hi, it's me again. I am going to show you day 2 of our Canvas page. Day 1 is over animal life cycles. We're moving on to day 2, which is animal needs. I have these emojis here to help you follow along. So if you get lost, just look for the emoji. We start every module with the science standard. Here is your standard for today. You are going to obtain, evaluate, and communicate information about the life cycles of different living organisms. Day 2, here is your behavioral objective for the day. The student will be able to learn about the needs of animals by completing a lesson check with 100% accuracy. This is very similar to the lesson check you did yesterday, but it's just different content today. Just like day 1, we have a new Padlet available for the students to complete. Here are your directions. You are going to click on the link and you're going to answer the question. Tell me what you know about the needs of animals. If you click on this, we have a chicken. Tell me what you know about the needs of animals. You're going to click on the plus sign and answer the question. The next page is animal needs. These are basic needs of living things. Animals are living things. Go back to our modules. Same thing as day 1. We're going to read the PowerPoint on animal needs. Read slides 53 to 61. Same thing. It's going to come up with this weird message. Hit this. It's going to load. Click on it. It's going to have the cute little koala bears on it. Scroll. 53. Animal needs. You are reading until slide 61 with the bear. Once you read these slides, we're going to go back to our modules. Scroll to day 2. Open the PDF to complete the assignment. This looks very familiar. Same thing as day 1. Lesson check. Scroll to pages 51 and 52. Please note that just like day 1, this is for a formative grade. We're going to our modules. Remember that it's going to be like day 1. The file is too large, so you're going to click the blue link. It is a PDF. You are going to scroll to page 51. And we have these questions to answer. What basic needs do animals have to live and grow? Why do some animals need a large space to live? So I need full sentences with correct capital letters and punctuation, please. This is your second page. This is just like the lesson check for the day before. You're going to fill in the blanks using these words. Please remember, there is no reason that any of these words should be spelled wrong. You have a word bank, so I expect your words to be spelled correctly. Go back to our modules. And that is day 2, animal needs. Happy learning. Let me know if you have any questions.